Testimonial Collector lets you send surveys and collect feedback from the people who matter most, your customers. To start using this tool, enter your business name and click Get Started. Here is where you're able to customize your survey. Select Text to customize the text message version of your survey. If you want to make changes to the welcome message your customer receives, select the Edit link. Select the tag icon to insert dynamic tags like your customer's name. To edit your email survey, select Email. From here, you can click to edit and adjust text and insert links and tags. Use the menu to the left to add additional content like buttons, images, and logos. When you're done customizing, select Save. Now you can click to enable the platforms you want your customers to leave you reviews on. Next up are your social media sharing options. To automatically share 5-star reviews to your social media accounts, select Yes. The last step is to select what platforms you'd like us to share those 5-star reviews to. Now you're ready to start collecting reviews. Select Add Recipient to add a survey recipient manually, or select Import Group to add a customer list. Once you're ready, it's time to send your survey. You can choose to send it right away or schedule it to send in the future. Here's where you can track your stats, like average rating, total surveys sent, and total reviews, and see each review you receive. To respond to a review, select Respond. Manually publish a review by clicking Share and selecting the account you'd like to share it to.